Here's how you can create Microsoft account on your PC and laptop. So to do this, simply open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and type in account.microsoft.com. Hit enter and you're going to see another page. Now on this screen, you're going to simply click on the sign in button and you're going to see another page where you can easily sign in with your existing account. But since we are going to create a new one, I will simply click this create one option button. Now, once you click this link that says create one, it is going to show you another page where you'll have to basically enter your new email address that you're going to make your account with. I'll enter my email address here and click next. Once I hit next, a code will be sent to my email address. I'll have to simply search for that code and enter it just right here. So search for that code on your Gmail, enter the code and you'll be taken to this page where you can choose your country or region. Enter your date of birth and click next. Now enter your first name and last name and click next again. Now complete this challenge. You'll be taken to another page where you'll be instantly signed in with your new account. So click OK here. And once that's done, your account is created and you'll be taken straight to your Microsoft account page. From here, you can set up your profile, add payment method if needed, and this same account can now be used to sign into Windows, Outlook, Microsoft Office, Xbox, and any other Microsoft service. So that's how you create a Microsoft account on PC and laptop. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.